Chapter 67. Kingship. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Blessed is he in whose hand is the dominion, and he is able to do all things, who has created death and life, that he may test you and establish which of you is best in deeds. And he is the Almighty, the oft-forgiving, who has created the 7 heavens one above another. You can see no imperfections in the creation of the Most Gracious. So look again. Do you see any rifts? Then look again, and yet again. Your sight will return to you in a state of humiliation and fatigue. And indeed, we have adorned the nearest heaven with lamps, and we have made such lamps as missiles to drive away the devils, and we have prepared for them the torment of the blazing fire. And for those who disbelieve in their Lord is the torment of hell, and worst indeed is that destination. When they are cast in it, they will hear the terrible drawing in of its breath as it blazes forth. It almost bursts up with fury. Every time a group is cast inside, its keeper will ask, "Did no warner come to you?" They will say, "Yes, indeed, a warner did come to us, but we denied him and said, 'Allah never sent down a message. You are only in great error.' And they will say, 'Had we but listened or used our intelligence, we would not have been among the dwellers of the blazing fire.' Then they will confess their sin. So away with the dwellers of the blazing fire. Surely those who fear their Lord unseen, theirs will be a forgiveness and a great reward. And whether you keep your words secret or disclose them, surely he is the all-knower of what is in the hearts of men. Should not he who has created know? And he is most kind and courteous to his slaves, all aware. It is he who has made the earth subservient to you. So walk in its paths and eat of his provision, and to him will be the resurrection. Do you feel secure that he who is over the heavens will not cause the earth to swallow you as it shakes? Or do you feel secure that he who is over the heavens will not send against you a violent whirlwind? Then you shall know the manner of my warning. And indeed those before them rejected my warning, and how terrible was my rejection of them. Do they not see the birds above them, spreading out their wings and folding them in? None holds them in flight, except the most gracious Allah. Surely he is the all-seer of everything. Who besides the most gracious can help you, even as an army? The disbelievers are in nothing but delusion. Who can provide for you, if he should withhold his provision? No, but they continue in pride, and they flee from the truth. Is he who walks about prone on his face more rightly guided, or he who sees and walks on a straight way? Say it is he who has created you and endowed you with hearing, seeing, and hearts. Little thanks do you give. Say, it is he who has created you from the earth, and to him you shall be gathered in the hereafter. They say, when will this promise come to pass if you are telling the truth? Say, O Muhammad, the knowledge of its exact time is only with Allah, and I am only a plain warner. But when they will see it approaching, the faces of those who disbelieve will be grieved, and it will be said to them, "This is the promise which you were calling for." Say, O Muhammad, tell me, if Allah destroys me and those with me, or he bestows his mercy, who can save the disbelievers from a painful torment? Say, he is the most gracious Allah. In him we believe, and in him we put our trust. So you will come to know who it is that is in manifest error. Say, O Muhammad, tell me, if all of your water were to be drained away, who then could supply you with flowing spring water?